Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add Maps Quickly Find Places Nearby widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen touch and hold, then go down and tap on widgets. Next we swipe up to go down, and in here expand the maps section, and then we go down and then touch and hold on the Quickly Find Places Nearby. Touch on the widget and then drag it out onto the home screen and let go. Now you can also readjust the widget by readjusting the side handle or the bottom handle to make it larger or smaller. And that's it. And that is how you can add the find or the convenience nearby stores widget to your home screen. And you can tap on petrol, restaurant, or hotels or coffees, and it will show you all those things nearby to your location. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.